Hey guys, Chris here with Collier RV in Rockford, Illinois. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2021 Coachmen Mirada 32SS. So, really awesome motorhome. Nice thing, this is on the brand new Ford chassis. So Ford, as you may know, has moved to a V8 from a V10. So that's a great upgrade. One with the engine, but maybe more importantly with big suspension upgrades. So stabilizer bars are bigger, just a lot of changes on the front end that will really reduce the sway and kind of the rocking that you used to get on a Class A. So I think it's a huge improvement and a big thing to know on this motorhome. All right, so Mirada will give you standard big outside TV. You'll have two awnings standard on the 32SS, so maximum square footage under the awning. If you're at a campsite where a tree or something blocks putting one out, you still have plenty of campground space. All right, nice thick baggage doors. They're side swing. You'll have pass-through storage on two different compartments on the exterior. Propane tanks over here. So again, nice storage compartment here. So outside kitchen, so very awesome to get on a Class A. It's one of the nice things of not having a slide out in the bedroom, having a full wall slide, is that you still have room to put an outside kitchen out here. So fridge, that's a nice storage space, a couple electrical outlets, and then sink with hot and cold water. All right, back here's your second spot where you have full pass-through storage. A couple other nice things Mirada does on the baggage compartments. You'll have lights in all these compartments. You'll have a felt liner, so things will be quieter and they're less likely to go sliding around while you bounce down the road. All right, on the rear wall, they're still doing the nice fiberglass rear cap, which gives us a nice aesthetic look. Just a great thing. Your fuel fill also is back here. Still going to be an 80-gallon fuel tank. All right, on the utility side, so mostly rear two compartments are going to be storage. You have your utility center mid-coach, which that's going to be full coach water filtration. You'll have an outside shower, all your water hookups, your water pump, your low point drains, your holding tank drains are all in one easy to use compartment. And then they've added this year a winterizing inlet, so it's going to be a lot easier to winterize your Mirada. All right, other compartments are going to be an Onan generator, 5,500 watt, and then a couple other utility bays. All right, so you will have side view cameras, of course, a backup camera. With the change to the new chassis, all the manufacturers have had to redesign their front cap, which I think Mirada's done a really good job. You get the big lights on each side. This Mirada decal is pretty cool. It's got a kind of a reflective tendency to it, and there's paint back here, so it's kind of cool. And all the Mirada decals on the outside are that way. And then the little engine cover, I think, nope, grabbing from the wrong spot, got a little easier. It's a dual hinge, so that will give you access to your battery and some of your windshield wiper fluid, things like that. All right, let's check out the inside of this 32SS. Okay, so I'll have some of the specs and the floor plan posted on the video, but this motorhome is just about 34 feet, so it's a really manageable size. So I'll kind of just go counterclockwise around the motorhome. So dinette, it's a dream dinette, so you flip one lever over, you can push this down, make it into a bed. There are slide out drawers on each side. You'll notice, I'll show later on in the video, these are all soft close drawers, so that's a nice thing they've done. MCD shades, and you do get frameless windows, so these just crank out. You can leave them open during a rainstorm, and it'll just help with the tint, help keep this motorhome nice and cool. All right, over here is your Chase Lounge, so a lot of versatility here. Basically, you can take this one cushion out, grab this handle, slide that piece in, and then you have a big three-person couch. So you can use it either way. You have great view of the TV, and then you can drop this down into a bed. You can almost make a big three-person bed over here. So this is probably more of a couple's motorhome, but if you're bringing the grandkids, kids, a couple adult friends, they have a lot of sleeping options. All right, storage center right here. Huge deep wardrobe. So this used to be had a little more frills. It had LED lights and different things that hinged, but this I think is a lot more practical. This is going to be really easy to use. Again, huge storage throughout here. TV. We'll open this way for storage. All right. So you have a king bed. You know, it's nice. They give you ledges on each side, little pull-out drawers, still more wardrobe storage. They've added, as of last year, this is a coach PAP station. So this is nice. You can, if you have a CPAP, you can put it up here. Or if you have phone chargers, whatever you have, there's electrical outlets up here, and you can just run the cords down through here. So great idea. I saw a lot of people are already starting to copy that. All right, bed will lift up for storage. You have a sliding door to close off the bedroom for privacy. So bathroom door is new and redesigned. So this is kind of like what Keystone, Montana came out with a few years ago. With the way it hinges, you can actually, doesn't come out as far, so you can have the slide out in, still fully open the bathroom door. So it's a really smart redesign they did there. Okay, so bathroom's not huge, but it works. You know, decent room around the toilet. Shower's kind of a neo angle, and you got just plenty of headroom. TV, fireplace. This will work as a space heater as well. And then they put all your switches for your slide out, generator, water heater, water pump, TV booster, auto generator starter, all in this compartment. All right, of course, the huge LG refrigerator. Now this is still 110 volt. They have not yet gone to 12 volt. So 110 volt, I think, is nicer just because it will get cold faster. All right, so yeah, just a really nice kitchen. Give you a nice backsplash here. This is all going to be solid surface countertops. You'll see a larger microwave. Really good overhead storage. And just a lot of nice drawers down here. And these are soft close, so you kind of just, oh, there you go. All right, good spot for a trash can. Okay, couple things is just wanted to let you know there is a battery disconnect. There is radio control. One thing I forgot to point out on the outside, your first main awning actually has speakers in the bottom of the arms. So really cool. So, you know, the new dash could be kind of a video unto itself. But I think the big things Ford has done, the steering wheel is a lot better. It's tilting, telescoping. You have just a lot better digital display, a lot more menu options up there. They've also gone to auto headlights, which sounds crazy. They should have done that 10 years ago, but they have not had auto headlights until this new chassis. So just set that. You don't have to worry about leaving your headlights on. And then on the Coachmen side of things, they integrated, here's a speaker for Bluetooth if you're doing hands-free calling. And then they've way upgraded this radio. So this is now a big touch screen. So excellent, excellent. And then the seats also are upgraded for this year. They're wider, more cushion. They should be a lot more luxurious. They both do still rotate around, although they did delete the cafe table, which I think will probably be coming back at some point, but having to redesign for a different size engine, they weren't able to put that in. Pull-out workstation or laptop station right here. Plenty of 12 volt outlets, and you do have 110 outlets as well if you're running your generator. All right, and then you will have power shades, a kind of a nighttime privacy shade, and then just a darker tinted shade for sunlight, and then wraparound shades on both sides, and an overhead bed. So, guys, thanks for watching. This, again, is a 2021 Coachmen Mirada 32SS. This motorhome is for sale at Collier RV in Rockford, Illinois. Thanks for watching.